Hello students, now in this video lecture we'll study state transition table and state transition diagram of Mealy and Murray machine. So here we have a state transition table of a Mealy machine. So now this is the state transition table. The first column shows the states and next states after transition. What will be the state? There are two inputs 0 and 1. Corresponding to both the inputs we have two columns, state, next state and the corresponding output. Here with input 1, state and output. So let's draw the state transition diagram. Q1 with 0 as input, Q0 moves to Q1. So here I have written 4 states, Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So the first transition is Q0 to Q1 with 0 input producing A as output. With 0 input producing A as output, right? Next, producing 1, getting 1 as input, Q0 moves to Q2, Q0 moves to Q2, getting 1 as input and producing A as output. You can see here, output is A. So we have drawn two transitions. Next, with 0 input, Q1 moves to Q1 producing B as output. Upper part is input and the lower part shows output. With 1 as input, Q1 moves to Q3 with C as output. So Q1 to Q3, here is Q1, Q1 to Q3, 1 as input, C as output. Similarly, you can draw the other transitions also. And finally, now let's see the last one. With 0 input, Q3 to Q3, 0 input, Q3 to Q3 producing C as an output. With 1 input, again Q3 to Q3 producing B as output. So you don't need to draw the two loops here. We can draw only the single loop and we write 0 by C and 1 by B both here. You don't need to draw, but here I have drawn already, so it's okay. But if you want to draw only one loop, then you can write both on the same loop, 0 by C and 1 by C. Now this is for Murray machine. So again, this transition table is for given Murray machine. Now in the transition table of Murray machine, you can see the first column is again for present state, next state, inputs. There are two inputs 0 and 1 and output, and the last column is for output. These outputs are associated with the present states only. So now let's draw the state transition diagram. So here we have 4 states. So I have written Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. There are 4 states. Q0 produces output B. So Q0 with B output, Q1 with A output, Q2 with B output and Q3 with C output. So now the first row, what this first row shows, with 0 input, Q0 moves to Q1. Q0 moves to Q1 with 0 input. Q0 moves to Q2 with one input. Q0 moves to Q2 with one input. Q1 to Q1 with 0 input. Q1 to Q1 with 0 input. Q1 to Q3. Q1 to Q3 with one input. Right? Similarly, you can draw the other 4 transitions also. So now this is the state transition diagram of the Moore machine whose transition table were given. So likewise, if the transition diagram is given, you can draw the corresponding Moore or Mealy machine and vice versa.